Hey guys, welcome back. This is Scott. This is a really intriguing UFO that I've discovered back in 2013. Look at the detail there. AI on the right, on the left, normal. Wow, just pops. Look at that. It looks like it's 3D printed. Now, this is my website, UFO Sightings Daily. It's been on all those news sites there many times each. I discovered in 2013, and I just was amazed at this strange looking UFO. This was all before 3D printing, and it looks so 3D printed, doesn't it? And it looks like it's coming out of this rectangle hole in the moon itself. Now, the original link to this, the original link was deleted. It's just gone. However, there are some other links that are there, and I'll put those in the about description below this video, and you could check them out. Also, there's indexing websites that may have indexed it and have that page on their photo memory of the internet. Now look at this. This is normal. This is AI on the right, normal on the left. And I swear to God, this thing looks like it's 3D printed. This is way before 3D printing. This is 2013, but look at this. Look at the detail of this thing. This was taken of the moon when the lunar orbiter was flying over part of the moon, and it just took this photo, and look at that. Have you ever seen anything like that in your life? It is so weird, so creepy, and so cool at the same time. But why would NASA take it down unless, finish the sentence, unless you're leaving me hanging, don't leave me hanging, unless it's real. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to show you AI corrected by AI in just a moment. Hold on. That is just amazing detail. Amazing. And at the center, it looks like there might be 3 faces. See the dark center? There seems to be 3 faces looking up. Now let's look at this. Whoa, do you see any faces inside there? Inside the dark area. You might have to pause it in just a second. I'm going to really zoom in on that. I believe what we're looking at is the clear dome area where the pilots sit. But just a second. Look at the detail of that. This is a close-up of what I believe to be an actual UFO. And it was in the NASA index. Look at this. Look at the detail. AI just brings it out, and it really looks unusual. It's not clean and cut like humans make things. It's more like grown or 3D printed. This is weird stuff. Okay, do you see the faces in there? I see 3, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's just my imagination. Maybe they're real, but they're all looking straight up. That face, and that face. Pause it right there and check it out. Because those 3 faces are all looking straight up. And they don't look human-like. Although they each have 2 eyes, nose, and a chin area, forehead, they don't look human. Doesn't make them evil, doesn't make them good, just makes them different. Guys, is that something or what? Okay, I'll put the links to this in the about description below the video so you can make your own videos, make your own TikToks, talk about it, think about it, explore it, research it, and hit that like and subscribe button because damn, it helps me so much, and I appreciate all your comments below the video about what we're looking at. Have a good one.